What mankind desperately seeks is but an echo of what was, but what can never be perceived. In the ever present moment that just passed you by, a wink of motivation pulling you ahead. When I wrote this, it was out of pure just channeling. I was feeling the weight of the world. And what I took from it is we're constantly chasing our tails instead of actually trying to advance ahead. And a lot of that is because of conditions set around us from other bigger things. We place ourselves in a little small box thinking that we have no right to, you know, enjoy the world to its fullest, pretending that it's ours because it belongs to someone else. And repeating history is a trend, and I think that's why, is because we're chasing an echo, hoping for something big and great and something that'll make history and be bigger and better than anyone ever has in the past. No one's ever dissolved a country to turn it into a bunch of villages and communes, and it everyone owns it all equally. No one's ever done that. But that would make history, wouldn't it? That would be wild. Perhaps we need to quit chasing an echo and start making our own noise.